board examination.
BJP in charge of Meghalaya and Nagaland, Anil Antony, assured that the central government is closely monitoring borders to prevent instability. With NDA governments in both states, Antony promised that any attempts to destabilize the northeast will be countered. He responded to concerns from Bangladesh interim head Mohammad Yunus about the potential regional impacts, stating it is too early to assess, but confirming the centre's vigilance and commitment to citizen welfare.
This region is a region where our Honorable Prime Minister has always put special emphasis in the last 10 years. Under his Act East policy, the central government has spent over 6 lakh crores in this region to develop this region, to increase connectivity with projects with initiatives like BIMSTEC, with our Act East policies. The Honorable Prime Minister is having a vision to connect the Northeast region and transform this region as India's gateway to South, etc.